Hi dear friends, welcome to our channel Infinity Learn Mathematics. So in this video we are going to continuing the solving the problems on the property that is 0 to integration of 0 to a f of x dx is equal to 0 to a f of a minus x dx. So in the last video we did the proof of the property and two problems, and today we are going to solve the important problems and previous year asked problems on related to the that property only. So the first one is evaluate. This has been asked in the year March 2017. Integration of 0 to 5 by 2 log sin x log sin 2x. Yes. See here, first of all, write the given equation as I is equal to, that is I is equal to, yes. Now I is equal to, yes. See here, 0 to 5 by 2 as it is, this 2 log sin x as it is. 0 to 5 by 2 as it is, 0 to 5 by 2 as it is, integration of 0 to 5 by 2 into the bracket 2 log sin x as it is, minus in this step what I am doing here, log as it is, and I am applying the formula of sin 2x. Sin 2x is nothing but 2 sin x cos x, and at the same time I'm applying the property of logarithm in the next step. So here 2 sin x into cos x dx. Yes. Now I is equal to into the bracket. Yes. Now I is equal to 0 to 5 by 2 2 log sin x 2 log sin x minus, here minus and multiplying, what is applying the property of what here, logarithm, log m into n into p. Log m into n into p is nothing but log m plus log n plus log p. This property I am applying here for log 2. 2 means what here, m. Sin x means what here, m. N, sorry, cos x means what here, p. Applying this property here, and at the same time multiplying with the this minus sign. So all the term will become what, log of 2 minus log sin x minus log cos x dx. I have applied the property of this one, log m into n into p is nothing but log m plus log m n plus log p for log 2 sin x and cos x, log 2 plus log sin x plus log cos x. So directly I am writing here multiplying with the minus and minus into plus minus minus minus, 3 times it will be changed. So I is equal to here 0 to 5 by 2, I is equal to 0 to 5 by 2, this 2 log sin x minus log sin x, 2 log sin x minus log sin x will become what, log sin x, log sin x minus log 2. So here log 2 log sin x minus log sin x. After simplifying, this one is what, log sin x minus 1 log sin x. In the 2 log sin x, you will get the log sin x. This minus log 2 as it is minus log cos x as it is. Yes. So now we are applying the property to this step only here for this one. We are applying the property. What is the property? We know that integration of 0 to a f of x dx is equal to 0 to a f of a minus x dx. I am applying this property to only log cos x here. So keep the remaining thing as it is. See here, next after applying this property, that is I is equal to 0 to 5 by 2 log sin x as it is log this step as it is, minus log 2 as it is, minus log. Now x changed to what? A minus x means what here? I am applying this property to only this log cos x. Log cos 90 minus x dx. So after applying the property, and the next steps are here, that is I is equal to integration of 0 to 5 by 2 log sin x minus log 2 log cos 90 minus x. Cos 90 minus x is what? Sin x minus log sin x dx. This log sin x and log sin x get cancelled, only remains the what here? Log 2. That is I is equal to 0 to 5 by 2 minus log 2 dx. Now I is equal to minus log 2 as it is a integration of 0 to 5 by 2 dx. Now I is equal to minus log 2 integration of dx is what? X between the limit 0 to 5 by 2 by the fundamental theorem of integral calculus. First substitute the what? Upper limit, then lower limit. That is I is equal to minus log 2 5 by 2. This is the upper limit, minus of the what? Lower limit. 5 by 2 minus 0 is what? Pi by 2. Then I is equal to minus pi by 2 into log 2 is nothing but 5 by 2 log 2. So this is the final answer. Pause the video and note it down. Yes. And the next one, and the next problem, evaluate. It is also very important problem based on the same property, integration of 0 to a f of x dx is equal to what? 0 to a f of a minus x dx. So see here, that is I is equal to this problem, and property has been asked in the year what? March 2018. Property we proved you in the what? In the last video. So today only we are solving the what? Problem based on the what? Properties. Yes. See here. Next one. That is equation 1. Call this as equation 1 first. Now we know that applying the property here, integration of 0 to a f of x dx is equal to what? 0 to a f of a minus x dx. We are applying the property here. See here how we are applying the property. Here we are applying this property 3 times here, wherever x is there, x, x and x. According to this property, that wherever x is there, see here 0 to a f of x, 0 to a f of a minus x. Wherever x is there, write a minus x, because the upper limit is what here? In the property is also what? A. In the problem is also what here? A. We are after applying this property, wherever x is there, we are subtracting we are doing the what? Upper limit minus x, that is a minus x. In this problem, upper limit is what? A. We are writing what here? A minus x, that is equal to what? I is equal to 0 to a root of a minus x divided by root of a minus x plus root of a minus into the bracket, in the place of this x I am writing what here? A minus x dx. A minus x dx. Now I is equal to 0 to a root of a minus x as it is in the numerator, and this is also what here? As it is, that is a minus x plus root of a, multiply with the minus sign, open the bracket here, multiply with what? Minus sign. Minus into a is what? Minus a. Minus into minus is what here? Plus x. That is dx. Now this minus a plus a get cancel. Minus a plus a get cancel. and that is I is equal to, next step is what, I is equal to integration of what, 0 to a root of a minus x. So I will write the below. So here integration of 0 to a, I is equal to integration of what, 0 to a root of a minus x as it is divided by a minus x plus root x dx. Call this as equation 2. After getting the equation 2, adding equation 1 and 2. So here adding equation 1 and 2. Adding equation 1 and equation 2. So after adding the equation, left side we have to add the what, left part to left part, that is I plus I is what, 2I. What is common here? 0 to a is common. Root of a minus x. So what is the numerator of first equation? What is the numerator of first equation is what here? Root x. Root x plus root a minus x. The denominator of both the equation is what? Same here. That is root of a minus x plus root x. Here also what? Same. See here the denominators of this and this equation 1, both are what? Same. So keep the denominator as it is, only we are adding the what here, numerator of the equation 1 and equation 2 and left hand part, that is root x plus root a minus x dx. Now cancel these terms, that is 2i is equal to what, 0 to a dx. Then 2i is equal to what, integration of dx is what, x between the limit 0 to a. Now 2i is equal to first upper limit, that is x in the place of x, a minus 0. This therefore 2i is equal to what, a, then I is equal to what here, a by 2. This is the final answer. This is the what, final answer. So these are the what very simple problems are there. So just we have to apply the formula, apply the property, that is a minus x, wherever x is there we have to apply the a minus x. After applying the property, calling the equation as 2, then adding equation 1 and 2, we have to add the left hand side part of both the equation 1 and 2, that is I plus I is what, 2i, and the denominator of both the equation is what, same. So keep the denominator as it is and add the numerator, so that numerator and denominator get cancelled. You will get the what, integration of 0 to a dx. The integration of dx is what, x, that is then upper limit minus of the what, lower limit, that is x minus 0 is nothing but x, then 2i is equal to a minus 0, 2i is equal to what, a minus 0, that is 2i is equal to a, I is equal to what, a by 2. Pause the video and note it down. And the next problem is, so it has also asked in the examination 2 to 3 times this problem, that is I is equal to, right, call this as equation 1 and apply the property first. Applying the what, property first here, that is March 2019 and March 2022. March 2019, this has been asked in the year March 2019 2022. 2 times this problem has been asked. So call this as equation 1 in the first step only. And apply the property first. We know that what is the property? We know that integration of 0 to a f of x dx is equal to what, 0 to a f of a minus x dx. So here we are applying this property. Instead of a, what is here, upper limit is what, 5 by 2, wherever x is there. So x and x, after applying this property, x will be changed, that is 5 by 2 minus x, 5 by 2 minus x, that is I is equal to, I am writing here in the next step, I is equal to integration of 0 to 5 by 2 cos raised to 5, x will become what here, 5 by 2 minus x divided by cos raised to phi 5 by 2 minus x plus sine raised to phi 5 by 2 minus x dx. After applying the property, x changed to what? 5 by 2 minus x, 5 by 2 minus x. So here three changes have been take place here. That is 5 by 2 minus x, this one, and this one 5 by 2 minus x, 5 by 2 minus x after applying the property. So in the next step, we are applying the what? Complementary of trigonometric functions. That is 5 by 2 minus x sine cos 90 minus theta is what? Sine theta. So these cos will become what? Sine will become what here? Cos. That is 0 to 5 by 2 cos 90 minus x sine raised to 5x divided by sine raised to 5x plus cos raised to what? 5x dx. Call this as equation 2. So in the same way, again adding equation 1 and 2. Adding equation 1 and equation 2. Equation 1 and equation 2. So again we have to add the what? Left hand side to left hand side. That is 2i is equal to left side part and the first equation, and left side part of the what? Second equation is what? Both I is there. I plus I is what? 2i. So what is common here? Integration of 0 to 5 by 2 is what here? Common. So here that is I plus I is what? 2i is equal to 0 to 5 by 2 is what? Common here. So what is the denominator of both the equation? Same, cos raised to 5x plus sin raised to 5x, and here is what? Sin raised to 5x plus cos raised to 5x. So here the denominator of both the equations, sin raised to 5x plus cos raised to 5x, cos raised to 5x plus sin raised to 5x means what? Both are same. So we have to only add the what? Numerator of the first equation is what? Cos raised to 5x plus sin raised to 5x. Cos raised to 5x, sin raised to 5x, and write the same thing in the denominator because denominator is same. If denominator is same, only we are adding the what? Numerator, that is dx. Then cancel it, this one. Cancel it. Then 2i is equal to 0 to 5 by 2 integration of what? Dx. Integration of dx is what? X. That is x between the limit 0 to what? 5 by 2. Then 2i is equal to upper limit, that is 5 by 2 first, then minus of the what? Lower limit, that is what? 0. 5 by 2 minus 0 means what? 5 by 2, that is 2i is equal to 5 by 2. Then I is equal to what? 5 by 4. This 2 2s are 4. So this is the what? Final answer. So these are the what? Very simple problems are there. After applying the property, the changes will be take place. Then call this equation 2. Then adding equation 1 and 2, denominator and numerator will cancel. Then you will get the what? Integration of dx is what? X. Then upper limit is what? 5 by 2 minus of the what? Lower limit. Then 2 2s are is what? 4. So pause the video and note it down. And the next problem is same. It is also same type of the problem, that is I is equal to, call this as equation 1. Equation 1. So again we are applying the what? Same property here. We know that integration of 0 to a f of x dx is equal to what? 0 to a f of a minus x dx. Yes, applying this property in the next second step, that is I is equal to 0 to 5 by 2. I is equal to what? 0 to 5 by 2. Change the colors. Wait a minute here. That is I is equal to 0 to 5 by 2 sine raised to 4 as it is. Here x changed to what? 5 by 2 minus x. After applying the property, x changed to what? 5 by 2 minus x divided by, here also x changed to what? X will become what? 5 by 2 minus x, plus here also x becomes what? 5 by 2 minus x. That is dx. Now I is equal to, after applying the property, 5 by 2 minus x, sine 5 by 2 minus x is nothing but cos x. That is cos raised to 4x. So this will be changed. Then it is also what? Cos raised to 4x. Plus cos will change here, sine raised to 4x dx. Call it as equation 2. Adding equation 1 and 2, again same concept as we are doing in the previous problem. So adding equation 1 and 2, adding equation 1 and equation 2, we are adding both equation 1 and 2 here. Again I plus I is what? 2i. Integration of 0 to 5 by 2 is common. So what is the denominator of both the equations? Sin raised to 4x plus cos raised to 4x. Here is also what? Sin raised to 4x plus cos raised to 4x. So write the denominator as it is. Only thing we are adding the what? Numerator of the first equation is what? Sin raised to 4x. And the numerator of the second equation is what? Cos raised to 4x. So cancel this term. You will get the what? Dx again. That is 2i is equal to 0 to 5 by 2. Integration of what? 0 to 5 by 2 is what? Dx here. Then 2i is equal to, integration of dx is what? X between the limit 0 to 5 by 2. First substitute the what? Upper limit, that is 5 by 2. 5 by 2 minus lower limit, that is what? 0. Then 2i is equal to what? 5 by 2. Then I is equal to what? 2 2s are 4. That is 5 by 4. So this is the what? Final answer. So these are the what? Very simple problems are there. Pause the video and note it down. Pause the video and note it down. And the last problem of today's video, that is, it is also same. That is, write I is equal to here equation 1. We know that applying the what property in the next step, we know that integration of 0 to a f of x dx is equal to what? 0 to a f of a minus x dx. See here, this one, that is I is equal to 0 to 5 by 2 root of sin x will become what? Sin 90 minus x divided by root of sin 90 minus x plus root of cos 90 minus x. Dx. That is I is equal to 0 to 5 by 2 root sin 90 minus x. The value of sin 90 minus x here. Sin 90 minus x is what? Cos x. Sin 90 minus x is what? Cos x here. Cos 90 minus x is what? Sin x. So write here 0 to 5 by 2 root of cos x divided by root cos x plus root sin x, that is dx, equation 2. So again same thing, adding equation 1 and 2. And equation 2, adding equation 1 and 2, that is I plus I so wait a minute here, I want to draw the line here because see here, I plus I is what? 2i, that is 2i is equal to what? 0 to 5 by 2. So what is the denominator here? Root cos x plus sin x, root sin x plus cos x. Both are same here. Denominator is same. Root sin x plus root cos x dx. Only thing is that add the numerator root sin x plus root cos x. So both terms are get cancelled here because same are there, both numerator and denominator. Then 2i is equal to 0 to 5 by 2 dx. Then 2i is equal to what? Bit x, integration of dx is what? X between the limit 0 to 5 by 2, and 2i is equal to upper limit first, that is 5 by 2, minus lower limit, that is what? 0. That is 2i is equal to what? 5 by 2. Then I is equal to what? 5 by 4. This is the what? Final answer. So these are the what? The very important problems related to the what? Property integration of 0 to a f of x dx is equal to what? 0 to a f of a minus x dx. Thank you so much for watching my channel. So please like, share and subscribe my channel for your mathematics exam preparation. Thank you so much.